Right folks, what I've got here, this is the top of the milling machine. That's the drive pulley. That's a jockey pulley, which keeps the tension on. And up there is the spindle pulley. I'm just juggling between two cameras now. There's the other one, look. Right, so I can climb up the other side and put G-clamp on. So I'm taking tension off that jockey pulley. I'll take the belt off and I'm going to see if I can rig a belt up around the main pulley around there, just with some masking tape, just to see if I can isolate that jockey pulley bearing. So let's see how it goes. Put a bit of wood on it so we don't damage my paintwork after all that hard work. You watch, you ain't fit now. Christ, is that a fluke? Can you hear that? Can you hear that, folks? There is something. So if that'll shove around there, I can get a makeshift belt on there. I'm going to wrap some gaffer tape round and see if I can get it to drive. It's all isolated, folks. There's no mains on it all. So I'm going to see if I can get this around here. Right. Right folks, well I'll bring this camera in, then you can have a look when I start it up. I can't use my clutch because my clutch is it's got the tripod on it. So I'll just have to flick this on and off. It should start. Here we're going, folks. I'm trying to put my glasses on. Just flick it on and off. There we go, folks. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm dead chuffed it's not the main spindle in there, the main bit. Where am I? Where's my finger gone? There. I'm glad it's not the main bearings in the main spindle. It's this jockey pulley here which is no sort of job. But I'm not doing that now, because it's not that bad, but it's just annoying. But to all those machinists out there, it will probably leave an unsuperior surface finish, but for what I need for the time being, it'll be alright. But that's a future job. While I'm here, just the top of the machine, that pulley there, it lifts off and it swaps with that one, right? That's why this housing's so big here, because you can have a big pulley drive to a little one, or a little pulley drive to a big one. That gives you your two speed ranges, and I've never taken it off, so I might do that in the future.